Hello, everybody. Welcome into your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Friday, December 15th, 2023. I'm Jeremy Crosby. Hope you're having a great day and glad you're tuning with us for your TF headlines. Got a busy weekend happening. It is here. We've been talking about it all week, and we're so excited. Tonight kicks off the Holiday Light Tour and the Yuletide Jubilee happening all this weekend. Let's get you the details. The map was released this morning of all the locations of where you can check out the 52 locations of things that are happening as far as our light displays go for residents and businesses across the city of Fitchburg. City of Fitchburg and the Fitchburg Chamber are partnering up this year to bring you the Fitchburg Holiday Light Tour and Yuletide Jubilee. Tonight is the first night that kicks things off with, of course, you can take the Holiday Light Tour, but you can also check out area businesses that are participating in the Holiday Yuletide Jubilee that is going on this weekend as well. Well, there'll be specials like wrapping presents. Yeah, you can wrap presents. How about decorating cookies? How about some hot chocolate? How about breakfast with the Grinch? All of that this weekend. You can check it out Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It is happening. And on Saturday night, the City of Fitchburg will be hosting at Fire Station number 1, some decorated vehicles, including a fire truck, ambulance, police car, and public works vehicle. All will be decorated for the Holiday Light Tour, and Santa will be on hand as well. That's from 6 to 9 p.m., so you can stop by there, meet Santa, pick up a special treat. Otherwise, all this weekend, you can check out the awesome light displays I've seen. There's quite a few good ones again this year that we're looking forward to checking out. We'll be out covering tonight and tomorrow night, bringing you coverage of this wonderful event on Monday. Don't forget to vote for your favorite holiday light display and the one block that has the best decorations. And I'm just telling you right now, Hollyhock, they've teamed up again. Just warning you. Either way, we hope you get out there and enjoy. We also, again, want you to think about shopping some hot deals locally here in the city of Fitchburg. Whether you're participating in the Yuletide Jubilee or you just want to shop locally, you can still do that through the city of Fitchburg. Through the Fitchburg Chamber. Businesses have teamed up with the Chamber, and they now have a hot deals page, or Find It in Fitchburg, or it's part of the Find It in Fitchburg campaign that goes all season long. But check that out if you haven't already. Some great stuff going on here in the city of Fitchburg. We're lucky to have some awesome businesses. We hope you'll check them out this weekend, along with enjoying the Holiday Light Tour and Holiday Yuletide Jubilee. All right, Holiday Recycling Guide. Want to remind you to reduce waste this holiday season, and the city of Fitchburg has you covered with how to recycle some of those different things. So yes, City of Fitchburg does have a guide for this on different things and helping you figure out how you should recycle it. So like cardboard, yeah, you can recycle it in your blue card. For excessive cardboard, you can take advantage of Ultimate Recycling by placing it in the additional recyclable clear plastic bags up to 32 gallons or more, no more than 50 pounds, and put it next to your recycling can. You can also take it to our recycling drop-off site center at 2373 South Fishatry Road. And you can do recycle there and other items. Again, you can even type in items too that you're not sure how to recycle, and they can help you by showing you, hey, this is how you recycle it. So pretty cool stuff. I figure it's holiday time. Let's remind you of that for sure. How about digital decluttering workshop? It's coming to the Fitchburg Senior Center, and after the holidays, maybe you're going to want to just no more digital stuff. I don't know. Either way, during this 3-part workshop, you can step away from your optional online activities such as Facebook, Candy Crush, Netflix, you aim, whatever you're doing, get away from it, right? During this 30-day break, you will explore and rediscover activities and behaviors that you can find satisfying and meaningful. At the end of the break, be introduced to optional online activities back into your life through a blank slate for online activity reintroduction. Will be determine the value of the service of your life and how specifically you want to maximize the value of your own life, right? Wednesdays, January 3rd through the 17th, 10 to 11 a.m. The cost is $30, and it's at the Fitchburg Senior Center. And this weekend is also going to be the Badger Prairie Needs Network Community Meal. That's right. If you want to stop out for the community meal, it is this Saturday, December 16th. You can check out and hang out with your friends. Have a great weekend, everybody.